if you want to change poster of your Apple account on the iPhone 17, then in that case, first we need to open settings. Next, you should be able to choose your Apple account at the top over here, and then we can go to personal information. Then we can press change, and in here we can switch to poster at the top, and you can customize your poster quite easily. We have several different options that we can choose from, including Memoji and Monogram. You can also tap on these options on the left side in order to make some changes, of course, to fully customize it. We can also choose our own photo from the photo library. And then once you are done with the customization, so let's say I'm gonna make a small change, I'm gonna choose blue color instead. And by the way, over here at the bottom we also have different additional options that you can go through, like the depth effect, for example, and press done in the upper right corner. Once you are done, press this check in the upper right corner again in order to save these changes. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.